Hi everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner and lead stylist at Faye Smith Agency. We're one of Canada's largest hair and makeup artist agencies, and I myself am a professional hairstylist. And in this video today, I'm going to tell you what my Sephora picks are for a professional hair kit. So as a professional hairstylist, you should always have professional products in your kit, but you don't necessarily need to go to a pro store. You can absolutely shop at Sephora, which is easier because their opening and closing times are much broader than a professional store, and the locations are usually much easier to get to as well. So if you are a professional hairstylist or an aspiring professional hairstylist, you can absolutely shop at Sephora, and here are some of my picks. Alright, so if you've watched any of my other YouTube videos for like the past pretty much when I began filming YouTube videos, you know that I do love and vouch for the line Moroccan Oil. I absolutely love this line. I love multiple of the products for many, many reasons. So at Sephora, you'll find the entire Moroccan Oil line. Some of my favorite products to pick up for my professional kit are the dry shampoo. I absolutely love the Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo because they have light and dark tones, which means you have a dry shampoo there that is perfect for all of your clients, whether they have super blonde hair or dark hair. I do find with dry shampoo, using just the generic white powdery one doesn't work well for everybody, so I do recommend that you have a light tone and a dark tone in your professional kit. Another Moroccan Oil absolutely love, like definitely product I cannot live without, is the Moroccan Oil Medium Hold Luminous Hairspray. I absolutely love this, and I've ranted about it in all of my hair tutorials here on YouTube. I absolutely love this medium hold hairspray because it actually has a little bit of the Moroccan Oil in the spray, meaning that it has a little bit of hold. It's a wonderful working spray for when you're curling, but you can really brush through it and run your fingers through it. It's not going to make the hair crispy or crunchy. The hair is going to be workable while you're still applying a little bit of a Moroccan Oil, a little bit of a hairspray to the hair to make it more manageable as you're working with it. So that one I cannot live without. Alright, let's talk about Olaplex. I do love Olaplex, and yes, Sephora does sell it, but I also want to tell you guys that my salon in Gastown retails it too. We're located in Gastown where we have a physical store, but you can also order online for us too. So if you do prefer to support a small business, hit up my small business for Olaplex, but yes, you can get it at Sephora as well. They carry the full line, and I love Olaplex 7, the dry oil. It is absolutely amazing for taming frizz. It is applying a little bit of oil in the hair to tame the frizz and flyaways really nicely, but the oil is a dry oil, so it's not going to make the hair greasy in any way. So for that reason, I love this oil. I'm going to leave a link in the caption down here, so if you do want to buy Olaplex with us, you can shop online at my shop, Primp and Proper. Alright, so let's talk about actual tools, styling tools. So as a professional hairstylist, and for me, I'm a mobile stylist, I'm traveling around, and so I need to carry a lot of stuff with me. But honestly, everything gets so heavy, and I'm a makeup artist too, so my main thing for myself is to always find products and tools that can be compressed down into a small kit. So for me, I absolutely love T3's Interchangeable Iron. It comes with multiple different heads to one iron, so it means you have one base with one cord and lots of different size heads that you can just interchange for whatever you need. The only downside to having this, it means that you can only have one size on at one time, and I do like to have multiple sizes on at one time, so you might want to buy two, so you have two bases, and then you can use two different sizes at the same time. So that's the only thing that is the downside to having the interchangeable heads, but in terms of space and essentially being able to carry like 6 irons and only one base, it means that you can carry everything, style anybody's hair, and accommodate anybody's wishes with a much smaller amount of tools. So check that one out, and it's really cute too. I love the color. Alright, my last one here for you guys today, my last Sephora pick as a professional hairstylist, is Kitsch's Spiral Hair Ties. Spiral hair ties are like such a genius invention. They will literally hold the thickest of hair and the thinnest of hair. I also love to use them to twist a bun and actually pin a bun into place. And then I can build like hair on the top of it just to finish it up. So it's really great for like cheating with updos and getting stuff done quickly. So spiral hair ties in general are just like genius, but I just really love the Kitsch ones from Sephora as well. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any comments or questions about what to carry in your kit, please leave me comments below. I'm always happy to help fellow professional hairstylists. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've got more videos coming for you soon. Bye!